Hi, this is Dr. Soumya. So I just wanted to share my story of how I became a doctor. So I belong to a state called Telangana. Before NEET, we used to have MSET exam. My intermediate was from 2014 to 2016. It has botany 40, zoology 40, physics 40, and biochemistry basically 40 marks. There is no negative marking. So it is out of 160 marks. Chaitanya, Narayana, and Gayatri. So there is this girl who used to get and every Saturdays we used to have a week exam, and Monday we used to have a mini GT exam. So there used to be this girl who used to get 20, 30, below 50 generally during the week exams, and the main exam, the main 2016 MSET exam, she got around 130 and 140. All of them were shocked by seeing the result. So that campus members complained that paper was leaked. So MSET exam got cancelled. After 1 month, again MSET 2 was conducted, and the paper was tough. Basically, MSET 2 was tough. Again, repeat, post paper leak, and this time within 1 month again they conducted MSET 3. MSET 3, even this exam did not go smooth. There were 12 questions which were like answers were not known. So they said they'll add 7 marks to all the students, and this happened after the release of ranks. They said they'll add marks to all the students after the results, and they released new ranks after that. I didn't get 7 marks added. I just got 2 marks added, and all the behind members came front of me. I couldn't get the rank. Basically, I got around 3000 rank, 3300. The first MSET I got around 7000 rank. Like I may not get seat, but MSET 2, though the paper was tough, out of 160 correct, I got only 100 correct. The first exam I got around 120 or 130 correct that time, but paper was easy at that. MSET 1 I got around 7000 rank, but MSET 2, though the paper was tough, so I got around 5000 rank, and MSET 3 I got 3000, around 3000 rank, 3300 or something. But if all the 7 marks were added, maybe I but I didn't get. All above ranks of me got 7 marks added, and they came ahead of me, and I left back. But the problem was 2016. That was the last MSET exam. From 2017, NEET was nationalized basically. So I have never seen NCERT book in my life. Again, I have to start with a new book, biochem and botany and zoology, which are the strongest subjects for us. So basically that became, and I attended counseling with the hope of getting seat even in the last phase of counseling. So I wasted time till October, and exam was in May. So NCERT studying 3-4 times revision became a bit difficult at that point of time. And now PG repeat. They said the exam will be on March 3rd, and it got postponed to July 7th, because we have elections. When did our elections happen? May, April. This is the March, postponed to July 7th. After a month, they preponed to June 23rd, because there is a festival on July 7th. We live in India. In every month we have 10 to 15 festivals. So they preponed, and the exam is on 23rd. Not sure. Until we go to center, we sit. We should not be. Even if you get seat in UG and PG date is announced, don't be. sure about that date. It won't be the same. I just wanted to tell you, don't panic if postpone, leak, reservation. These are the things which are not in our hands basically, which we cannot control also. I my one advice would be just log out of all the social medias. Don't go anywhere also. They'll say, oh, you wrote exam, what's your rank, paper leak, all this. No, sit in home, watch nice movies. If paper got leaked and if they reconduct, then you open and study. Till then, watch. This is so much of stress. They don't care about our stress. There are people who drop out 2-3 times. There is something called next exam, basically, which you don't know. PG entrance exam, is gonna replace by next exam, which is a 3-day exam. See, so at present, my current advice would be just log out of all the social media, sit, eat, sleep, and repeat. If exam got, if they reconduct the exam, good for you. But keep in mind that competition is real, and there are people may not go out of 88, maybe 10 genuine marks. Take that and move ahead and study hard. Don't get into the things which are not in your control, and that's it. All the best.